Welsh Skills. Do you have Welsh skills? Not sure about the opportunities you have to use these skills? Watch this video to discover more. Welsh skills in the world of work are important because many companies favour Welsh skills when employing. What are Welsh skills? Welsh skills mean you can speak, read and write in Welsh. It's a unique skill, so use whatever level of Welsh you have and take advantage of the opportunities. Why develop your Welsh skills? Let's have a look. 82% of businesses in Wales say that using Welsh adds value to their services. Almost 75% of Welsh speakers see that there is an opportunity for them to use the Welsh language in their everyday lives. More interesting facts on the Welsh Skills page on the Profi website. When creating your CV, remember to include that you have Welsh skills. Whatever those skills, speaking, reading, writing, or knowing some words or phrases, note that. You will be at an advantage compared to someone without these skills. Especially because employers on average only look at a CV for 30 seconds. It's important for you to make a good impression and include the many unique skills that you have. To improve your Welsh skills, how about visiting the dysgucymraeg.cymru website, watch Ysbrydeg or Ysbrydeg Click. You can also listen in Welsh on Spotify or Apple Podcasts. Practice every opportunity you get. How about practicing with your family and friends or in the shop by starting every conversation in Welsh? Remember to also look for the Iaith White badge people will be wearing. How about changing your phone's language to Welsh? Think about how often we look at our phones. Changing the language will make it easier for you to develop your Welsh skills. Being bilingual gives you twice the opportunities, so remember to use your skills. For further support, contact us by emailing post@profi.cymru or at Cynllun Profi on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.